So, in a recent video we did about the James Webb Space Telescope, we mentioned that one of the things it would be looking for is signs of life on other planets. A lot of you in the comments were like, signs of life on other planets? Yeah, okay, but what about life here on Earth? And you're not wrong. But in this video, I want to talk about what NASA is actually doing right now at the bottom of our oceans, because they're down there looking for signs of life too. NASA has been exploring the deep ocean for decades because it's the closest thing that we have on Earth to the conditions that exist on other planets and moons in our solar system, places like Europa and Enceladus, which are ocean moons. That is, they're moons that have vast amounts of water underneath their icy surfaces. For years, scientists thought that these moons might be the best place to look for life elsewhere in the universe. And that's because, like I said, the conditions are similar to those on Earth, but with some key differences. For example, the pressure at the bottom of the ocean is similar to the pressure that exists on Europa, just not quite as much. But we know that life here on Earth can thrive under intense pressure. Take, for example, the deep-sea hydrothermal vents that scientists have discovered. These are areas near underwater volcanoes where superheated water mixes with cold seawater, creating conditions that are similar to what's happening on the seafloor of Europa. These vents often support ecosystems of organisms that don't rely on sunlight for energy, but instead use chemicals from the vents as their energy source. And it's not just the pressure or the chemical energy sources. The lack of light at the bottom of the ocean is also similar to the conditions on many other moons and planets. In fact, NASA has even developed robots that can explore deep-sea environments and test the limits of what's possible for future missions to other worlds, like the technology developed for the upcoming Europa Clipper mission, which will explore Jupiter's moon Europa in the 2030s. The agency is testing the next generation of robotic and autonomous systems that will be needed to explore these extreme environments on other worlds. So while NASA is exploring the bottom of the ocean for signs of life that could help us understand how life might arise in other worlds, it's also testing the technology that will allow us to explore those worlds in the future. So, do you think there's life at the bottom of the ocean that could help us find life elsewhere in the universe? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks so much for watching. I'm the host, and this has been our channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about space and science.